Webex Training Center is ending on March 31st, 2026, and for training teams, that is more than just a platform change. If you rely on live classes, virtual IT labs, and instructor-led technical training, the real question is not just what replaces Webex. It is how to keep your training running without rebuilding everything that already works. For many teams, this transition comes with real pressure. Migrating training takes time. You may need to review your lab setup, test a new environment, prepare instructors, organize course content, and make sure learners can transition without confusion. The biggest risk is not just the deadline. It is making a rushed decision and ending up with a replacement that creates new problems like disconnected tools, VPN workarounds, firewall issues, or a lab experience that feels patched together. That is where ReadyTech comes in. ReadyTech was built for hands-on technical training. Instead of forcing you to start over, it works with your existing infrastructure and lab environments so you can preserve what is already working. That means you can keep the server environments, software images, snapshots, and course-based lab exercises you already depend on, without rebuilding your entire setup from scratch. That matters because this is not just about finding another meeting platform. If your training includes live labs, instructor oversight, and technical exercises, you need more than chat, screen sharing, and breakout rooms. You need a platform designed around the demands of real training. ReadyTech brings the virtual classroom, lab delivery, training materials, and instructor oversight into one place. Instructors get real-time visibility into each learner's lab, so they can see who is progressing, who is stuck, and who needs help before the class falls behind. Instead of waiting for learners to speak up and chat, instructors can step in early and keep the session moving. It also simplifies access. No VPNs, no plugins, no installs, no unnecessary firewall headaches. Learners get direct web-based access to the training environment, which reduces friction and helps avoid the kinds of connection issues that can quickly derail a live class. On top of that, ReadyTech centralizes course materials, so lab guides, training content, and supporting documents stay connected to the learning experience instead of being scattered across folders, emails, and messages. And if something does go wrong, ReadyTech provides 24/7 live human support. In live training, that matters. Instructors do not need a ticket number. They need real help right away. Webex Training Center ending is a fixed deadline. What is still in your control is how disruptive this transition becomes. If you plan now, you can preserve your infrastructure, avoid a rushed migration, and move to a platform built for hands-on technical training. ReadyTech does not just help you replace a platform. It helps you improve how training runs.